One of the major concern of industry today is complying with emission norms and curbing emission. So we supply back filter ESP for all such emission control devices. In fact, for gaseous emission, we are supplying flue gas desulphurisation also. In recent times, we have supplied one FGD system, flue gas desulphurisation system, for one of the largest sugar plants in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It was on 3 into 140 TPH boiler, and it has been successfully commissioned and running quite satisfactorily. We have supplied back filter ESP all across industry, right from steel, cement, and we have many such installations here in Dubai and around region. We also provide retrofit, revamp, and other kind of after sales services also.